Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy. Today, we're going to show you how to fix Windows security that is not opening on Windows 10. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is to check for any Windows update. On the search bar, type in update. This is the best result. Click on check for updates. Now, if you see on your end that there is a check for updates tab here, click on it. If there are any updates available, it will start updating. You just have to patiently wait until it has been completed. Once it is done, you can close the window. Next, you need to make sure that there are no other antivirus installed on your computer. So if you have other security third-party antivirus, such as Kaspersky, Norton, McAfee, or other antivirus, make sure to disable it because two security antivirus softwares doesn't work at a time. To check if you have other security antivirus, on the bottom right portion of your screen, click the arrow icon on the taskbar, this one. And here you can see if there are any kind of security running. If it's not showing up here, you can go to the search box and type in appwiz.cpl. So, this is the best result. Click on it. Search for the programs here and check if there are any kind of antivirus protection. If you found one, then uninstall it. After uninstalling, restart your computer. Then check if the problem has been resolved. If not, then you may need to reset your Windows security. To do this, click on the search bar and type in security. This is the best result, right? Click on it. Then select App Settings. Next, scroll down until you find the reset. Here it is. It says, here, if this app isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted, so just click on it, then click on Reset again. Once a check mark appears, it means that the reset has been completed. Next, close the window and check if the problem has been fixed.